something like a stick figure and wish you could do better? Well, today I'm going to show you and give you some tips on my way to draw a person. I learned how to draw by looking at other people's artworks, like mangakas, and I learned how to draw from art teachers like Mrs. Bray. Things that I'm going to cover are the materials you need for drawing, drawing the head and the body, different expressions you could draw, and adding shading. The example I'm going to draw is VID00008, which is a random person I made, and my friend came up with the name. Okay. But first, I'm going to talk about the materials you need for drawing. One of the most important material is to have a pencil. Doesn't matter what kind of pencil it is. It could be a mechanical pencil, but most artists prefer wooden type pencils and art teachers. Another important material is to have a piece of paper. I'm going to use a printer paper to draw my character on. It could be lined paper too, like how I drew VID00008 on. Another important material is to have an eraser. You can erase mistakes you did with it. Now that we have our materials, I'm going to start drawing. When I start drawing, I always draw the head first. I draw a U shape but make the chin part more pointy. Like this. When drawing, don't press too hard on the pencil or you'll create darker lines which can still be shown if you erase it. Also, you can break the lead of the pencil. Next, I'm going to draw the face of the person, which includes the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and the eyebrows. I usually draw the eyes first, which I draw a curved line on little down above the head, like this. Then I draw another curved line underneath it, but it's opposite from it. Kind of a bit down from the first curved line, like this. Then I draw a crescent shape inside the eyes, which is curved sideways, like this. And I do the exact same thing, but to the other side. This creates the eye of the person. Then I draw a little circle, small circle on the right-hand corner of the eye, which creates the sparkle of the eye. Then you can shade the rest of the eye like this. Don't repeat the step for the other eye. Do the exact same thing. Draw two curved lines, and then add the circle and shade it in like this. It's kind of uneven right now, but you want to make sure to make it even, but it's kind of uneven, but who cares. Then I draw a small curved line above the eye, which represents the crease of the eye, like that. Don't forget to do that for the other eye. Then we move on to the nose. For the nose, I draw a curved line like this in the middle between the eyes. Then you just shade in the bottom part. For the mouth, I draw in capital D that's rotated 50 degrees, like this. You can add teeth to it if you want, but I'm not going to. Then we move on to the eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I draw a curved line that it's kind of above the eyes, make him look more happy, I guess. Don't forget to do that for the other eye. Like this. to the ears, which I draw a heart shape, kind of like a heart shape, but curves, but more curved lines. It lines up with the kind of with the eyes. Don't forget to do that for the other eye too. I mean the other side. Like this. Kind of want to make it even, but I'm it's kind of not even right now. Now that we're done with the head, we can add the hairstyle. I'm gonna draw his hair spiky. You could draw any kind of hairstyle, but I'm gonna draw his hair spiky. Kind of like that. You can add the details of the ears if you want. Kind of like that, I guess. Then we move on to the neck, which I draw a line going down from the bottom of the ear, curve it in slightly, and then outward. Kind of like this. Then we draw a line curving outwards, like coming out to make the shoulders, and curve it downward. Do that for the other side. Kind of like that. Okay, and then for the rest of the body, we're going to use an outline, which the circles represents the joints of the person, and you can connect those to make the arm. You can use the shoulder joints to make the torso of the body. But I'm not going to use an outline for this person, so I'm just going to draw. Okay, I can't really do this. Now I'm gonna draw the kind of lost my place.
That's okay. Just pick right up.
I'm going to draw the clothes of the person, which you can draw any kind of clothes, but I'm going to draw him shirt. Huh?
If you want to wrap it up, you can, because your time is, I just don't want you to get cut off or anything. But it could be a work in progress, that's okay. Do you remember your conclusion?
Yeah. Now that I went through the materials, drawing the head and body, drawing different expressions and shading, I hope you